Good morning, students, and welcome back to the history class. Today, we are going to study a different topic, and that is about Mesopotamia civilization. In the last class, we had studied about the River Valley civilization and that one Indus Valley civilization. Okay, and the Indus Valley civilization, it start near the river valley of Indus. But here, the Mesopotamia civilization. In the Greek word, the Mesopotamia means the land which is between two rivers. And of course, the Mesopotamia lies between two rivers, and that one Tigris and Euphrates. And this area is now the modern part of Iraq. And when this civilization rose up, we can see many empires and dynasty, they rose and fall in this civilization. And most of them were Sumerian, Assyrian and Babylonian. So Sumerian, their civilization start or they rule over 4000 BC to 3000 BC. Then Assyrian 2000 BC to 1800 BC. Then Babylonian 1800 BC to 539 BC. And here we can see the Mesopotamia is called the cradle and grave of many civilizations. So this is about the rose of the Mesopotamian civilizations. Now we will study about the social life. Okay, the society is divided into three categories. The society of Mesopotamian civilization was divided into three categories. One is upper class, second one is middle class, and third one is lower class. So who will categorized by the upper class? The royal family, priest and high official. Then in middle class, farmer, artisan and trader. And in the lower class, the slaves who work as domestic servant. The servants were categorized in this lower class. Now the family. Of course, father is recognized at the head of the family and most of the decision taken by the father. But women, that means mothers, also enjoy certain things, rights, but the privilege is given to only men. And education was a must for the upper class girl. Especially they could learn dance and music. Then occupation. What were the occupation or main occupation of this civilization was farming. They depend on agriculture and they developed a highly sophisticated irrigation system, and they could carry out the flood water to store to the land, and they learn to grow and cultivate the crops like wheat, pulses, barley and some of the vegetables. Even they could tempt the domestic animal like cow, goat, sheep and donkey. Okay. The next, trade and commerce. Trade and commerce is their different occupation, second occupation. Most of these people, they depend on trade. And they have trade contract with neighboring countries, especially with Indus Valley, with India. and some of the things they could import and export, especially food grains, textile, precious metals, wines and finished product. And they also record the trade on clay tablets. Then come to art and craft. And these peoples are very much expert to brought the art and craft. They were first one to use bronze, the copper, the bronze, and later they could learn to use the iron to make armor as well as different weapons like sword, dagger, spear and mace. Pottery weaving, making of jewelry and statue were the other important. Now, planning of Mesopotamia cities. How could they plan? The Mesopotamians built well-planned cities. The three dominant characteristics of Mesopotamian cities were ziggurat, the palace and the city wall. Ziggurat, the temple tower, were monumental structure made from the sunbreak bricks, and they were many-storied house, high and decorated with tiles, precious stones and marbles. These temples were also used as observatories, school, granary and trade center. I like to show you one picture here. The ziggurat. You can see how they have developed to bring this type of monument. It is totally different, and they used the sun brick, and they could even build up the high storage building which was decorated with the stones and marble. Okay, then later on we will discuss about religion. In the next class we will start from the religion. Students, I think this much you have understood. So this is my request to all of you. Those who have SST book, please look at this chapter and read this one once again. One time, two time, or three time. Okay? Then you could learn much more things, and you will get the many information about the Mesopotamian civilization. So it is my request, please read thoroughly again and again. Okay? If there are any doubt, we will discuss later on. So children, take care, stay healthy. May God bless you. Thank you.